Is it possible to alter or change your Snapchat username? Well, what's going on guys, Regal here. Today we're going to be answering that question, and I'm going to be providing y'all with a couple methods that you can utilize to actually change your Snapchat username. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So before we even get into the video and I even start talking about the methods to alter your Snapchat username, I do want to put it out there that there is really no straight way to change your Snapchat username just the way you could your Instagram username or your Twitter. The Snapchat platform is very different compared to all of the others in the sense that there's no way that you can actually change your Snapchat username. However, your Snapchat display name is a great way to start if you want to go ahead and change the way people see you on their Snapchat account. So for method number one of altering your Snapchat username, we're simply going to be going ahead and changing our Snapchat display name, because at the end of the day, that's the name that everyone who has you added on Snapchat is going to be seeing. Now the way to change your display name is super simple, as all you have to do is simply launch up the Snapchat application, then head over and click on your Bitmoji icon, then click on the settings option, simply click on the names tab, and then go ahead and then you can simply go ahead and type in whatever the fuck you want it to be. You can also go ahead and remove the name if you want to as well, and just basically customize it to your liking. And well, as I said before, your display name is what everyone sees on their Snapchat account, therefore in a sense it kind of acts like your Snapchat username. Now the second method of altering or changing your Snapchat username isn't going to be a favorite for anyone, however it is a method, and at the end of the day you will get the username that you want to have. So pretty much if you go ahead and click on the first link in the description box down below, you guys will be redirected to my website where I've placed a link in the description box to basically go ahead and delete your existing Snapchat account and then simply go ahead and make a brand new one with a username that you actually like. A lot of people will be hesitant when it comes to actually deleting your Snapchat account. However, if you go ahead and make a brand new one with a username that you actually like, and then you go ahead and utilize my Snapchat score increasing method, you'll just be back to square one, but in this case with a username that you actually like. Now it's super simple to delete your existing Snapchat account and then simply make a brand new one. Now the last and final method of changing your Snapchat username is by simply begging to Snapchat in their support page and just letting them know that you want to go ahead and change your Snapchat username and that you have a valid reason to do so. In the description box on my website, I've placed a link directly to Snapchat support page where you can go ahead and simply fill out a form, and in the message box simply persuade to Snapchat why you want to go ahead and change your Snapchat username. And well, if you get lucky with your Snapchat message, Snapchat will get back to you with the email that you provided, and you will be able to alter and change your Snapchat username to whatever the fuck you want it to be. So yeah, pretty much I'll go ahead and conclude up today's video. I've provided 3 methods to you guys that you can utilize to alter and change your Snapchat username the best way possible, even with Snapchat's crazy restrictions of not changing your Snapchat username whatsoever. If you want to go ahead and alter your Snapchat username, simply utilize either of the 3 methods that I provided in this video and you guys should be good to go. But yeah, other than that, that'll pretty much wrap up today's video. If you guys did go ahead and like it, be sure to hit that like button. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed already, be sure to hit that subscribe button. It's been Regal, and I'm out. Peace.